Hello, hello. The camera is on. We are live and we are rolling for a very impromptu response to a few community members' questions that have been messaging me privately, commenting on posts in our group, Freedom the Quantum Way. And I did promise a response in regards to people feeling that every betrayal, every hurt ever given or received is coming up at the moment. And yes, it is. So yes, all of our impurities are coming up to be acknowledged, not to be judged. This is the big difference here. The kinder we are to ourselves, the harder we can love on ourselves and accept that we are human. We have made mistakes. We've come here to be the best version that we can. We've also come here with a much higher agenda than most of us are able to consciously get our heads around at the moment. So my way of getting through the shit is to take it aside and just look at it for what it is and just check in to see if it does define you or not. And it won't. I'm sure the stuff that's coming up that has had a huge impact on the person that you are today deserves gratitude rather than judgment. It has made you the person that you are. And when we can simply recognize that it's all happened for us to shape and mold us into the beautiful version of imperfection that is perfect, that we are, the quicker we move through it, the less we resist, the least will persist. So acknowledge it, celebrate it, let it go, and the energy will die with it. The higher we raise our vibration and rise into where we are going and who we want to be, the quicker we get there. So the title of this video is, how do you know if you're making the right decision? Every decision is right. There's no right or there's no wrong. There's forks in the road every turn we take. Some will get us faster than others, but there's no right and there's no wrong. How I know if it's right for me at this point in time and where I'm at right now is how I feel. Our emotions are our barometer as to whether we're on track or we're going to go the long and winding road. If you are feeling expanded, if you feel alive, if it lights you up and it's a hell yes, then it's right. If, on the other hand, you are, even if you have to think about it, that's the sure sign that you're going down the left brain track into your past, into your habits and patterns. So if you have to think about something, or you even hear someone saying, oh, I have to think about that, move on. The spirit-led decisions expand you. The past, ego, habits and patterns contract you. When we live a life of expansion, we're living with our soul alive. And our soul will light the way and it will lead the way every single time. So when making decisions, and do make decisions, please eliminate the words try or I'll think about it, oh, I don't know, or maybe, or we'll see. Get those out of your vocabulary. Make a decision, yes or no. If you feel expanded, go for it. If you feel contracted, leave it alone. There's a better way. I hope that has helped in some way, shape or form. Please leave a very brief hashtag replay in the comments if you have seen this. Open a conversation, a dialogue with me if you'd like more information. I will send you huge, enormous waves of love and light into your day. I'll see you again soon.